Good morning students, a very warm good morning to all of you. Today we are here discussing some topic related to the mathematics, that is data handling. Okay, so student, are you know about the data handling? Yes, in the third and fourth standard you have studied about it. Okay, now before starting the lesson, some warm up is given there. Just see first one. The graph here shows the number of pages of storybook read by 4 students on a particular day during vacations. Okay. Now, which student read the maximum number of pages? Now here you can see maximum is the largest. Which one is the Revati? Here say here's the Revati. Then, what is the total number of pages read by the Azhar and Revati together? So, what is the pages read by Revati? Revati, yes, it is equal to 40. And what about the Azhar? Is equal to 30. 40 plus 30 is equal to 70. Who read the least number of pages and how many? Who read the least pages is Rahul, and how many it is? Equal to 15. Okay. Now, read the information given here carefully and draw the bar graph. You know students how to draw the bar graphs, okay? So, you do by your own, you know how to draw it, okay? Now, moving ahead with our topic, that is pie chart or circle graph, okay? Now, a pie chart or a circle graph is slightly different because it is a pie chart. A circle is divided into parts so to show the information. Okay, the parts will vary in size according to the information presented. Let us try to read the pie chart. The pie chart here shows the 4 different fruits of a basket, that is apple, orange, banana and mango. Now tick the correct statement and cross to the wrong ones. Okay. There are more bananas in the basket than apples. Just see here, bananas are basket than more than apple. No, so it is the wrong. The number of mangoes equal to the number of oranges and bananas put together. If bananas and oranges put together, it is equal to mango. Yes, because this is the half part and they both are counted equal. This is equal to half part. The number of oranges is equal to number of bananas. Yes, number of oranges is equal to number of bananas. So this is the right one. Now we are now ready to construct a pie chart. Okay. Now here you have to do the to draw the pie chart. What is given? Below is the given data of the four colors that students of 4 class like. The total number of students in the class is 80. Okay. Now see here, number of students are 10, 20, 40 and 10, means its total is equal to 80. So out of these 80 students, how much are out of these 80 students, 10 out of 80 is equal to like red color, means it is 1 of 8. Then yellow, 20 out of 80, it is 2 of 8. Then blue, 40, means it is the 4 upon 8, and green is 1 upon 8. Now this fraction, let us construct a pie chart as given below. Just see here, blue is 4 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 2, means you can say it as 1 upon 2, means it is the half part is covered by blue. Then yellow, what about the yellow is 1 upon 8, 1 upon 4, means it is the 1 part of 4, means 1 part, and is the green and red are the half a part of that. Okay. Now in this way you have to construct the pie chart. Just see my practice time fun. The following chart shows the various monthly expenses of Mr. Ahuja, whose monthly income is rupees 25,000. Okay. Answer the following question. First, on which item does Mr. Ahuja spend the maximum amount? Where is the maximum? Yes, you can read it, food 8,000. So here you have to write food and it is 8,000. What is the total amount of spend on the clothing and transport altogether? Where is the clothing? Here is the clothing 2,000 and transporting 3,500. It is equal to 5,500. On which item does Mr. Ahuja spend the minimum amount? Which is the less one? That is clothing, because it is the less one, 2,000. So you have to write clothing. And Mr. Ahuja spends more on education or on food. On education it is 4,000 and on food it is 8,000. So which is the correct one? Food. So you have to write food. Okay. Now the second one you can do by your own. It is the same also the given one in the first. Okay. Now, marks scored by Ankur in an exam entrance test as shown below. Represent the data using a pie chart. For this, you have to draw the pie chart. Okay. Now, for this, you have to draw a circle first. Okay. Now, okay, if you have drawn the circle, after that, now see, you have to do the calculation also. So, Ankur's, okay, Ankur's is an entrance exam test he will secure. So, how much marks are there? 5, 10 and 5, okay. Now, for that, the total marks is equal to total mass is equal to 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5, so it is equal to 20. So in the GK, out of 20 he will get how much? 5. Then in maths, 20 out of 10, and in science he will get 5 out of 20. So you just have to show this one. Now see here, in the maths he will get 20 out of 10, means it is the 1 upon 2 means the half part. Okay, so you can show it in a half part, that is it is the maths. Here you have to write maths. Then GK 5 and science 5, then it will cover the half a part of that 10, that is 5 and 5, that is you can write here GK, and here you have to write science. Okay, and you just want to color it. Now see the second one. The data given below shows the number of hours spent by Rina on various activities on a working day. So number of hours, for that again you have to draw a circle. Okay, now for you just have to write number of total hours. Here have to write total number of hours is equal to, just count it, 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4. So it is equal to 24. Okay, in total 24 hours. What is her activity? School. Out of 24, it is 8. Okay, what about the homework? Is equal to 4 out of 24. Then sleep, how many times she sleep, how much time she sleep, that is 8 hours from 24 hours. And for playing and others, she is spending again 4 hours out of 24 hours. Okay, so from this you have to find out the, so for that, okay, you just have to divide 24 into the school hour 8, means 8 ones are 3, then 4 ones are 6, 1 upon 3 and again 1 upon 6. Okay, so you just have to make the 6 part of that. Okay, now from this 6 part, 1/3 of she is using in the, yes, 1/3 she is using for the school. Okay, now here you can write school. Okay, then for the homework, means she is using 2 part. Here the 2 part for the school, then 2 part for the sleep. Here you have to write sleep, and 1 part for the homework, and 1 part for the playing Okay, now in this way you have to represent the pie chart. Okay, so now the next one is line graph. Line graphs are very simple to draw. A line graph is usually used to show gradual changes or changes that takes place over a period of time. Okay, just see, a line graph shows the number of participants in the drawing competition of a school during the last 5 years. Answer the following questions by looking at the line graph. In which year did the maximum number of students participate in the competition? Just see which is the maximum, that is you can say 85 means year 2011. Find the difference between the number of students who took part in competition in year 2010, 2014. 2010 75 and 2014 70. What is the difference? 5. Yes. Then how many students took part in competition in leap year? Leap year means 2012 is the leap year. In this leap year, how many students are taken part? That is 60. And in which did the maximum students participate in the competition? Maximum is how much are there students there? In 2012. Okay. Now see the second one. The temperature in Delhi on various days of a week in the month of August is as follows. So draw a line graph to draw data and answer the following question. Okay, for that you have to do horizontal axis represent days of week. Here days of week, and here is the here is the temperature. So Sunday, how much is the temperature? 32. Then here scale is also you have to write 1 unit is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. On Monday 36, Tuesday 34, Wednesday 35, Thursday 39, Friday 35 and 37 at the Saturday. Okay, and in this way you have to draw the, you know how to draw the bar graph? Yes, same way you have to, instead of this drawing the bar, you just have to make the point and then join the line. So it is called as the line graph. See, in my practice time 2, a line graph shows the scale of milk in the liter as shopped during the week. Okay, Monday 20 liter, Tuesday 30 liter, Wednesday again 25 liter. Just see, you just have to give the answer. On which day was the maximum quantity of milk sold? Maximum at, where is the maximum? That is 35 on Sunday. Maximum number of maximum sale of milk is there. How much more milk was sold on Tuesday than on Monday? So Monday how much milk was there? 20, and on Tuesday that is 30. So how much? 10 liter more. How many liters of milk was sold on Friday? Just see, on a Friday it is 15 liter. Okay, now read the information given below carefully and just see, just read. Balu left from Chennai for Krishnagiri, distance of 200 km by car, on a Sunday morning at 6 am. In the first hour, he covered 50 km. In the second hour, he covered 35 km. In the third hour, he covered 32 km. And in the fourth hour, again, he picked up the same speed and covered 48 km. And in the last hour, he drove 35 km. So, just information is given. What is the graph about? Distance covered by. Okay, the graph about the distance covered by the Balu. Okay, what will be the horizontal axis represent? In the horizontal axis, what you have to write? You just have to write the time. And what about the vertical axis? Vertical axis you have to write the kilometer. Okay, now here you have to write the time and here is the kilometer. What is your scale going to show? Just showing to show that increase or decrease in speed. Okay, now here third question is given also like that. Line graph is given there, you just have to answer the following. Then what about the fourth? The weight of boy from birth till 5 years of age is as follows. Represent the following by a line graph. Okay, you just have to draw the line graph. Okay, what is given? Just here line the graph. Then here you have to write the age and here you have to write the weight. Weight is 410 means start it from, you can write it from too much, so you should write from the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay, means you have to make a scale, that is scale 1 unit is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, now just see the age. At birth means it is starting from here. Okay, at birth. At birth he is having the weight of 4 kg. So you just have to make the dot here. Next, 1 year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here at the age of 1 year he is having the weight of 10 kg. So 1 is belonging to the 10 here. At the age of 2 he is having the 13. Where is the 12, 13 here? Okay. Next, 3 years 18. 3 years is 18. Where is the 18? See, here we have to do the 18. Then 4 years 22. 4 years 22. And then 5 years 23 here. Okay, so you just have to draw the graph by joining the line. Okay, in this way you have to you just have to write here again 4, 10, 13, then here's the 18, and here you have to write 22 and 23. Okay, and at last you just have to make a line. Now in this way you have to draw the bar graph. Okay, student, line graph. Okay, students, are you understood how to represent the line graph? Yes. Okay. Now moving to the next topic, that is tally marks. Tally marks is the easiest way of counting objects of particular type of a given data by grouping branches of 5 objects or items of the same time. For the 2 lines are there, 4 lines are there, and for the 5 you just have to cross the 4, means it is the 5. Just see here, various animals found at different locations. So for the animal, the first animal, how much are there? Just count it as first animal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for you just have to write 9. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means you just have to count up to the 4. And if it is 5, then you have to cross it. Then what about the fish? That is 7. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. What about these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What about the horse? That is 1, 2, 3. And what about this cow? It is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can cross that side also and from that side also. Now the questions are given. The following table shows the list of favorite sports of various students in the class. So which sports is the favorite sports of the maximum number of students? Maximum means how much? You just have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. You said there. 4 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here is the 6. Means which sports is maximum is cricket, because it is the 8. How many students like football? You just count is that 7. Then which sport is the favorite of minimum number of students? Minimum means it is the smallest number, means 4, and total number of students in the class is 6, 7, 4 and 8, so it is equal to 25. It is the easy one, student. Now see my practice time 3. The following data shows the favorite foods of students in the class. Represent the following data using tally marks. Okay. Now here you have to draw the. Here you have to write items and you have to write tally marks. And here again you have to write number of fruits. Okay. Now what is the first one is apple. How much apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you have to write 8 and it will be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then what about the pineapple? How much are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have to write 7 and do the tally mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What about the cherries? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to write 6 and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then what about it is yes, it is look like a orange or okay. So you can read it as orange. How much are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again they are the 8. So you just mark at 8. Then last one is the mango. How much are mangoes there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here is the 11 and here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 and 1, 11. Okay. Now in this way you have to do the tally mark. Are you understood, student, how to do? It is a very easy one. Yes. See, second one is also given same. Just count the box and you have to write instead of that. Now see the third one. The following table shows the favorite items of some people. Answer the following question using the table. Which of the given item is liked by the maximum number of people? Maximum means you just have to count 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 15, 16, 17, 8, 10 and here is a 15. So which is the maximum? Chocolate, 19. What is the difference between the number of people who like ice cream and chocolate? Ice cream is 17, okay, and chocolate 19. What is the difference between them is 2. Then which of the given item is likely by the maximum number of people? Sorry, minimum number of people. Which is the least one? Minimum is the 8, that is burger. How many people were taken into the survey? Yes, how many people means you just have to add all the numbers and you will get the answer. Are these food items good for our health? Discuss. Are these good for our health? These are all, I think, are the fast food. So it is not good for our health. Just see the fourth one. Which color is liked by the most children? Which color is most? It is the 10, 5, 5, 7, 8. So which color is blue? Here you have to write blue. Which colors are likely by the same number of children? Yes, 5, 5 means pink and black. Here is the pink and black. Which color are likely the least? Least one is the, yes, pink and black is again the least one. Then how many children are there in total? You just have to add 15, 20, 30 and 35. Okay, it is the easy one, student. Yes, so I think all the topics in the lesson, that is data handling, you will understood very well. How to draw the line graph, how to draw the pie chart, okay, and how to do the tally marks also. So I hope you will understood very well. So with this we have finished the lesson number 6, that is data handling. Thank you so much, students, for attending the class. Now we are meeting in the next class. Thank you so much.